Hey guys, it's Christian from Pick Your Photo, and I'm going to walk through how to create a Father's Day gallery app. So the first thing is you're going to fill out this form right here, which hopefully you've gotten a link to. If you haven't already filled that out, then then go do that first. But once you've filled that out, you're going to get an email with your unique code that allows you to create the gallery itself. All you do is you click on it, and it'll be pretty self-explanatory. There's no login or anything like that. You just drag your files over. So I've got this. This is my dad right here. I've kind of created this folder here that is all of the images and videos that I want to upload. You just drag it over and then wait for it to finish. Okay, once that's finished uploading, what you're going to see here is basically the entire gallery, all of the uploaded photos here. You can do videos and photos. Videos have to process, and so it takes at least a few more extra minutes. But at a certain point, you do realize that dads and grandpas like to see pictures of their kids and grandkids more than themselves. So you can go through, and if you need to delete one, you can delete that one. You can click on it and then hit enter. This is my dad at my youngest sister's wedding. This one too. But if you need to add more photos, you can hit this button up here, add new media, and you drag them straight over like this. Okay, you can wait for all of the videos to process or not, whatever you want. But once you're finished with this, you've decided on your photos and your videos and whatever, you can send Dad's welcome email. And I'm actually going to send this to my dad. It's funny I say go help Dad with this technology, but he's a software developer, much better one than I am. Anyway, actually, I'll just send it to myself as well, just so that I can see the email. So the email that Dad gets looks like this. You have a gallery app waiting for you here. Click here to get your app. Open this on a smartphone, Safari only on iOS, and then add to your home screen. So you click this. If you click on a computer, this is what it looks like. When you click from a phone, it looks similar. This is what it looks like on a phone. Apologies, the top of this gets cut off because it's not going down. But anyway, you will, if you or your dad sees this, you will open it up and add it to home screen, which is right there. And then it's called Happy Father's Day. He can change the name also right here. And then you click add, and it'll go as an app on your home screen, just like this. And it won't look like this anymore. It'll be like this. There should be a video that isn't processed yet, but once that's processed, you'll see a video here. Same as this one. And you can click on it, and this will get saved to your phone, so you can open it up without any internet as well. And that's pretty much it.